Hello, my name is Tori. So I already went ahead and created a new patient, which I clicked the add patient. The patient I made was Sammy Jones. So initially when you create a new patient, they ask you all their information. So I fill in their first, last name, date of birth. We enter in their contact information, their home address, what insurance they have, which is their self-pay, their preferred pharmacy, which is a CVS in Hudson. What language they speak, and any kind of immunization registry, which they didn't want any of that. So we hit save. Okay. And then this right here, I already entered in the new encounter, which you hit this button right here, and that pops up a template page for you. So we did put in the vitals here. We have the patient no drug allergies. She's taking metformin for the diabetes. No past medical history besides the diabetes. And then right here it shows that the chief complaint was that she's a diabetic type 2, not on insulin. And it shows that we did have the patient already scheduled for a follow-up. This right here is the sheet that I got all the information from originally. So then we did want to order an A1C reading for the diabetic aspect of her exam. So let's go to order, type in A1C, sorry, wrong spot. The order test is the A1C blood work. It's coded to for diabetic, type 2. Next, next. And then the patient wanted a printout of the prescription to bring to the blood work draw when she gets it. So that's in there. Okay. And then if I wanted to schedule the patient like I already did, I'd hit the schedule button. I'm going to change it to a week, and then the doctor said to go to a week from now. I'm just going to add another one in to show what to do. So you just hit that. You just type in the last name of the patient and search it. Just like appointment type, which is a follow-up. And you just submit it and save, and it shows that the patient now has an exam that day. Once the chart is submitted, the doctor has to sign it. Which means that she has to verify that everything on the chart is correct. Which it is. Everything's in there. We're going to sign it. And sign. Mean it's finalized. And then before I just created a message. Hit right here. In practice, I just typed in the patient's name right here, what the subject was and the message was, which I already sent. When it was sent to me, I'll show you what I sent. So we just sent a letter to Sarga, letting her know that for patient Sammy Johns, they're diabetic, and we had the A1C blood work and metformin printed out and gave it to the patient to bring to wherever she needed to go. And then I could always run my reports down here. And that's pretty much for the EHR.